Greetings and welcome back to PinballHelp. Mike here. This is the second part of a video that I'm doing on a Jurassic Park fixing some shooter lane problems. In the first video I described what the problem was, and now I am trying a fix here. So we're told that if you put a washer under this one on the left, and you can see the ball guide, it seems like this may have been routed down a little bit further than the right side, and so this thing goes down a little bit too further. So I undid both of these, lifted it up, and put a washer under the one on the left. You can actually see it. I lose focus when I go in too tight, but there it is. So now let's try this thing. Let's put the game back in operation. I've got it all tightened up. Here. This is a fun game to try to put back in. When you pull it out too far, you gotta lift it up. There we go. And back in. Okay. Let's turn this thing on. And let's see if it's gonna be more reliable this time. So what we want this thing to do is, with the shooter lane, to kick the ball out into this part right here and flip up and come back down. Sometimes it'll bounce around in here and come out the bottom. So let's see if this improves the reliability of this mechanism. I'm getting reports from other people that it does, so let's give it a try. Okay, let's just try it. That looks good right there. Try it again. Nice. A little slow there. 3 for 3. All right. Okay. Maybe they were right about this. Look at that. So just fixing this little thing. We have not had a brick yet, and I think it wouldn't be unusual for it to brick every now and then. You know, brick meaning like it shoots up and does that. But and I have I have the stock settings on the game. I haven't boosted the coil strength or anything like that. So this looks like it definitely improves the reliability of the mechanism. Look at that. Rock and roll. So quick little trick if you have a Jurassic Park and you're running into problems with it kind of jiggling around there and not making that shot. Try putting a washer under the this left tongue there. And it does seem to work pretty nicely. A little tiny teeny washer. I think it's like a number 4 maybe. And yeah, look at that. Has not had one. Look at that. That's pretty amazing. Also, you want to check, make sure your game is properly leveled too. But wow, not a single mistake. How do you like that? How do you like that? Well, thank you guys for letting me know about that. That's a neat little trick. And for the rest of you guys, be sure to like my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, YouTube/PinballHelp. And until next time, thanks for watching.